Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video where we discuss the static part of general knowledge. This is part 2 of the Awards and Honors series where we will be discussing the Gallantry Awards of India. Make sure you watch part 1 of the series as well to get a sure shot question in your examination. And without any further delay, let's start with the video. So the Gallantry Awards are divided into two major categories. They are Wartime Gallantry Awards and the Peacetime Gallantry Award. Talking about the Wartime Gallantry Awards, they are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra. And the Peacetime Gallantry Awards are Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. We will discuss these honors one by one and make sure to get a PDF of this video from our Telegram channel so that you can revise it in future. And the link to that channel you will find in the description of this video. The Paramveer Chakra is the highest wartime gallantry honor and it is presented by the President of India. It was established from the day when India became a republic, that is in 1950. The Paramveer Chakra awardees get a medal which is circular and has replicas of Vajra and the state emblem of India on the front side. And on the reverse side, it has two lotuses and Paramveer Chakra is written on it in Hindi as well as in English. The most recent recipient of Paramveer Chakra was Captain Vikram Batra for his contribution in Operation Vijay. The Operation Vijay was carried out in the Kargil War and I have discussed the Vijay Divas in the Important Days series. Make sure to check it out as well. The first recipient of Paramveer Chakra was Major Somnath Sharma for his contribution in the Battle of Budgam and he received this honor posthumously in 1950. Second Lieutenant Rama Raghoba Rane was the first living recipient of Paramveer Chakra and also in the Indian Air Force there has been only one recipient so far and he was Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon for his contribution in the 1965 India-Pakistan War. As of now, Grenadier Yogendra Yadav, Naib Subedar Bana Singh and Rifleman Sanjay Kumar are the living personnel with a Paramveer Chakra and so far 21 people have been honored with the Paramveer Chakra and 14 of them have been posthumous. The next honor below Paramveer Chakra is the Mahavir Chakra and it was established in 1950 as well. It has a circular medal with a star on it and the state emblem is in the center of the medal. On the reverse, it has two lotuses with Mahavir Chakra written both in Hindi and English language. Colonel Santosh Babu of the Bihar Regiment was the latest one to receive it. He received it posthumously and the first Mahavir Chakra was awarded to Lieutenant Colonel Diwan Ranjit Rai for his contributions in the India-Pakistan War of 1947. An interesting fact about the Mahavir Chakra is that it has also been given to civilians as well as it has been awarded twice. The civilians to receive the Mahavir Chakra were Ramchandar and Muhammad Ismail for their contributions in the India-Pakistan War of 1947 and 6 people so far have received the Mahavir Chakra twice. 4 of them are from the Indian Army and 2 are from Indian Air Force. They are Wing Commander Jagmohan Nath in 1962 and 65, Wing Commander Padmanabha Gautam in 1948 and 1965, Major General Rajendra Singh in 1948 and 1965, General Arun Sridhar Vaidya in 65 and 71, Colonel Chewang Rinchen in 1948 and 1971, and Brigadier Sant Singh in 1965 and 72. So far, there have been 219 Mahavir Chakra honors conferred. The third highest honor in wartime is the Veer Chakra and it is also given by the President of India. It was established alongside the two honors and Wing Commander Abhinandan was also honored with Veer Chakra in 2020 for the events I hope you all are familiar with. It was the Indo-Pakistan skirmish of 2019. Now, we will take a look at Peacetime Gallantry Awards, which are equivalent to those in the wartime. They all were established in the year 1952 and are conferred by the President of India. The Ashok Chakra is the highest honor of this kind, which is equivalent to the Paramveer Chakra and it has been conferred 85 times so far. Kirti Chakra is equivalent to the Mahavir Chakra and it has been conferred 496 times so far. A notable recipient of the Kirti Chakra is Mr. Ajit Doval, who is currently the National Security Advisor of India. The Shaurya Chakra is equivalent to the Veer Chakra and it is the third highest Peacetime Gallantry Award of India. Now, I would suggest watching part 1 of this series as well and also the entire playlist if you like it because it covers a lot of static portions for your examination. Also, share this video with your friends to help them out, especially if they are weak in the static part of general knowledge. Thank you for listening.